The End War Forging Protoss Destiny. This transcript, likely from a video game or animated feature, details a protracted conflict faced by the Protoss, led by Artanis, against a malevolent entity named Amon. The narrative centers on their quest for a keystone artifact, believed to be their salvation against Amon's destructive influence over their Kala, a communal Shinnik bond, and his attempts to forge a physical host body. Throughout the story, Artanis navigates alliances with various factions, including the Dark Templar and the Purifiers, as they undertake a series of strategic battles to dismantle Amon's forces and ultimately confront him, aiming to sever his connection to their people and restore their legacy.